In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to content-aware fill in Affinity. If you've ever wanted to remove an unwanted object from a photo or clean up a distracting blemish, this quick process will help you do that with just a few simple actions. First, open the Affinity Designer app on your computer. We'll be working with a photo inside Designer using its pixel tools. Make sure your image is ready on the canvas so you can follow along smoothly. At the top left of the interface, click the Pixel option. This switches you into the Pixel workspace, which is where photo editing tools live. Think of it as moving from vector drawing to actual pixel-based retouching, essential for a content-aware style fill. If you don't switch into this mode, the tool we need won't be available. Next, select the inpainting brush tool. This is Affinity's content-aware style brush. It analyzes the surrounding pixels and intelligently fills in the area you paint over, blending texture, color, and lighting so the edit looks natural. If you're having trouble spotting it, look for the retouching tools and choose the one labeled inpainting brush. You can adjust the size, hardness, and opacity from the context toolbar to match the area you're working on. A softer edge helps blend seamlessly, while a harder edge can be useful along clean borders. Now, apply the brush on the area you want to remove. Click and paint directly over the object or blemish, covering it slightly beyond its edges. Use smooth, controlled strokes rather than scribbling. Painting in a few deliberate passes often gives cleaner results. For intricate edges, a slightly smaller brush can help you stay precise without grabbing nearby details you want to keep. If you're working near patterns or lines, aim to follow the flow of the background so the fill matches the surrounding structure. When you're satisfied with your coverage, release the left mouse button. Affinity will process the area and generate the fill based on nearby content. Give it a moment, the result should blend in with the background, often in just a second or two. If the outcome isn't perfect on the first try, that's common. Simply try another pass with a different brush size or paint smaller sections to guide the algorithm. With practice, you'll learn how large to paint and how soft to set the brush for the cleanest blend. And that's it. By switching to the pixel mode, choosing the inpainting brush tool, painting over the distraction, and releasing the mouse, you can remove unwanted elements quickly and convincingly.